Hello guys, I'm Sammy from cheatware.net, and today we're gonna have a look at Creehack. Now, this is an awesome little app that will allow you to get free purchases in Android games, particularly offline games. Very important to note, guys, it only works on offline games and games that don't validate purchases through game servers. Okay, it's very important to note. Also, very important and impressive actually is that this app actually works without a root. Like usually when I see all the no root required, no root, no root, no root, it's just clickbait, and it actually does require a root. But with this one, Creehack, I actually tested it. And it does work without a root. I'm just going to show you real quick in my lucky patcher, in my king root. I have not given any root authorization to Creehack. As you can see, there's a bunch of apps in here that have root authorization, but Creehack is not one of them. And yet I can just start it, and basically that's how you do it. You just start Creehack. By the way, you want to download it? Head over to cheatware.net, Google cheatware.net Creehack, you will find it, download it, get it onto your device. You don't need a root, just install it. Very, very simple. And yeah, you just start it, then you go into the game that you want to have free in-app purchases for. Keep in mind, guys, A, it only works on single-player games. B, it doesn't work on all of them. It works on most popular ones, though. Okay? And if Creehack doesn't work for you, try Freedom APK. You'll find it on cheatware.net as well. Alright, because they're kind of similar. Alright, let's go to our gem store. Let's buy something. And let's see what happens. $0. I can just buy it. As you can see, my gems are, or should be, increased now. Yeah. So I just bought something that would usually cost real money for free. Awesome. And I didn't need a root either. So that's very particularly awesome that this works without a root. I've heard that it actually works better and for more games if you have a root, but I have not been able to confirm or disprove that at this point. I haven't found a game yet where this would only work if it had a root, okay? So, and it doesn't ask for root access anyways. So I really doubt that it really makes a difference. Just games that work with it, work with it. And now for the online games part, okay? Because I know there's inevitably gonna be people that are like, "Oh, you are evil. I tried it on Clash of Clans and it didn't work." Guys. Those are online games, all right? Let me show you real quick how online games work, right? You have your phone, and I know this looks crappy. I'm not good at whatever. Anything. Let's make an old style phone. Let's say this is your phone, whatever, from 1900 and something, alright? Now, in a single player game, the way it works is everything, the data, the save games, everything is on your device, right? So you can actually edit the data, you can use Game Guardian and other memory editors to hack your game data to get unlimited money and so on, because it's all on your device, on your phone, on your emulator, on whatever you're using, right? Which means you have access to it and you can actually mod it and change stuff, all right? However, online games are a bit different, a little bit, let's say. In an online game, there is this thing, this box, somewhere in a developer's basement, right? It's called a server, and it's basically a huge computer that has all your save games, your data, your gems, your items, whatever it may be, right? And the way the game works is by your device contacting the server giving it data about your account and about what you're doing, and the phone displaying it to you, alright? But the data and your gems or whatever is kept right here. Let's just make a gem this thingy, right? These are your gems, and they're on the server, right? Not on your phone. And this server, this cannot be hacked. I don't care what people claim to have, generators for whatever. Guys, I can claim, look, I mean, the internet is pretty simple. I can make a website that says I have a generator that will give you a girlfriend, right? But that doesn't mean that that's actually something I can do, right? I cannot actually have a generator that gives you girlfriends, maybe even multiple ones. That's not how life works. I'm sorry. And it's so easy on the internet to claim anything. So please, guys, please, all right? Please be reasonable. All right. So that's why this kind of hack doesn't work for online games. Obviously, in the online game, what would pretty much happen is, um, what would happen is in the middle here somewhere you got the Play Store. Uh, let's say this is black. Let's just make it yellow as well. This is the Play Store. All right. So the way it works is your phone sends data to the Play Store. So you're buying something, you're making a purchase. The Play Store, once it has payment confirmation, actual payment confirmation, sends that to the server. Okay. Actually, the payment processor will send to the server the payment confirmation that actual money has been transferred, and then the server will update the value of your gems or whatever you bought and then send the data back to you. Okay, so in an online game you cannot hack these kinds of things in 99.99999% of them. All right, unless the developer is actually retarded, they will handle the stuff they're selling on the server. There's no reason not to. There's only money that can be lost if you don't. All right. Okay. So that's just my overly long explanation of why this doesn't work on online games, because inevitably people will complain that it doesn't work on Clash of Clans and Clash of Clashes and Clash of Blueberries, and I understand. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are having fun with this. I hope you guys check out cheatware.net, and I'll see you guys later.